Welcome to ClipsReel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can create affiliate review videos, VSLs, video courses, and a lot more by simply converting any website URL or an article into an animated video. Now, once you log into your ClipsReel dashboard, you'll see three options. To create videos using a copy-pasted content where you can paste a content. To create videos using a website, blog post, article, or any URL. Or you can create videos from e-commerce pages like Amazon product page, Shopify, eBay, Walmart, or pretty much any e-commerce website. For the demonstration, let's start with the copy paste. I'm going to click on this, and then let's say I have an article that I'm going to go here and paste. Then I'm going to give this a title and click next. Now here I can choose whether to create a regular video, a story video, or a square video, and these are the platforms that support these kinds of videos. Let's go with regular and click next. Here you can choose from multiple different template designs to help you speed up the process. Simply mouse over to preview how the template looks, what kind of animation in it, and then you can fully customize each of these templates. Let's pick one template, and ClipsReel will now convert that article into a storyboard, add images, pick out the text, build the slides, and do everything for you. You don't have to do anything. Once your slides are created, you can customize them if you like. You can change the text by selecting it, making it bold, changing the color, adding a background to it. You can change the background media. You can search from images, videos, your own uploaded pictures or images from the URL if you are scraping something. You can add a background music. You can add text to speech from multiple different languages. You can upload your own voiceover. You can add a logo, a watermark. You can change the style of the slide if you don't like this, and if you want to change it to a different style, you can do that. You can change the position of your logo and watermark. And finally, you can add a credit, some text about your website or your own logo, and you can choose a logo animation to go with your video at the end of the video. Once you're done, you can either save the project or start rendering it. Now, let's try and create a video from a blog post. I'm going to click on this little thing, then I'm going to paste the URL that I want to convert into a video, and I'm going to click on create. And just like this, it will scrape content from the URL and convert that into slides, add images, video clips, your text, and you can customize it completely the way you like. Same way, we can convert an Amazon, eBay, Shopify, or Walmart URL, a product URL, into a video. All we have to do is simply copy paste the URL of the product page that we want to convert into a video. For example, this is an Amazon product, and I'm going to click on create. And here you can see all the images are imported from Amazon. All the slides have been created, and you can again go into media tab and replace these with different images if you like, or you can add video clips as well. Same editing, you can add your audio, text to speech, upload your own voiceover, style it, change the theme, style of the slide if you don't like it, crop it, change, edit it to your heart's content, and then you can either save the project or render it. It's super easy to use ClipsReel to create amazing Amazon review videos, Shopify promotional videos, videos promoting your blog posts, your websites, your articles, or just videos for your funnels, for your websites, for your VSLs. If you have any questions, if you need anything at all, you can always reach out to our support desk and we'll be happy to help.